Ayaneo 2 and Ayaneo Geek gaming handhelds with AMD Ryzen 7, Radeon 6 80M launched. Ayaneo has launched two gaming handhelds, the Ayaneo 2 and Ayaneo Geek, with 800p 1200p displays. Both models are powered by AMD Ryzen 7 6800U, Zen 3 Plus APU, 8-core CPU, 16 threads, and 28W TDP. They feature the Radeon 6 80M graphic, which relies on AMD's RDNA 2 architecture. It offers 12 compute units and a 68% performance of the more powerful Radeon RX 6500M. The Radeon RX 6500M comes with 16 compute units, a dedicated VRAM, and infinity cache, and a higher TDP. The models come in several color variants, but only the fantasy black version of the Ayaneo Geek has an 800p display. The Ayaneo Geek is also available as a crystal purple variant, which has a 1200p display. All the color variants of the Ayaneo 2 feature the 1200p display. Ayaneo has several accessories for the models, but is priced separately. These include a case cover, screen protector, docking station, and wireless controller. The Ayaneo 2 and Ayaneo Geek are now available via an Indiegogo crowdfunding campaign. The backers of the campaign have raised more than $1 million within 2 days of the campaign. The Indiegogo campaign is the fourth that Ayaneo has embarked on and will run till January 2023. Ayaneo has early